Hey guys, it's Casey here with Henderson How To and Review. Today we have a review coming at you. It's going to be the Spartan zero-turn mower. I got it about 3 or 4 months ago. Loving it. It's a great machine. I'm going to show you all some features of it and some of the things I like about it, and show you why it's a good one to buy. So right here we have the computer controller for the lawnmower. This lawnmower has no key. You just put your code in, crank it up with the start and stop button right here. It keeps up with your oil change, tells you when you need to change the oil. It'll tell you when you need to change the transmission fluid. It's a complete little management system here. Here's your PTO for turning on the mower. Here's your choke. Here's your throttle. You got a little 12 volt here for running a phone charger or whatever you need to run. Blade height control is right here. Simple as pushing the pedal, dialing it to whatever number you want it to be at, and letting it go. It's just that simple. This is a 42-inch cut. Also has a headlight I had put on it when we got it. You never know how much you need a headlight until you get one. And now every time I've used it after dark. It comes in a 42-inch cut or a 54-inch cut. This is the RZ-C model Spartan. No, RTC. RT compact, RTC. This is a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki motor. You can get it with a 21.5, 23 or 25 horse motor. A couple different options. Comes in Briggs and Stratton instead of Kawasaki. It's a great mower. Like I said, I've been using it 3 or 4 months. I really like this mower. It has easy access to everything right here to change your belts, get to your transmissions real easy. Has a lot of upgrades you can get for it. You can get a spring that goes here. You take these 2 isolators off, and it has a spring for a little better suspension on the seat. That is one thing that some people have a problem with on not the high-end, crazy expensive mowers, is the vibration in the seat. This one is probably one of the best I've seen about it. As long as you have it at full throttle. If you run it at 3/4 throttle, it'll vibrate your back so bad you'll be itching like crazy. As long as you run it at full throttle, the vibrations aren't there. I'm going to get the spring for the seat to try to isolate that some more. But my dad actually has a bad boy, and it's really bad. I can't run it for more than 10 minutes. It's so bad. It holds 5 gallons of fuel. I think right now I've got 7 hours on it, 6.5, 7 hours on it, and I've used 1 tank of fuel. I just filled it back up last time I cut the grass, so it does pretty good on fuel. On the front here, I left these on here. You don't have to leave these on here. This is just a piece of little foam, but as I go around the fence, it helps me keep from scratching the fence all up, so I'll leave it on there. This opens here, so you can get easy access to everything down there. It's nice, but the coolest thing about this mower I want to tell y'all, it's only $3,900. It's not $7,000, $8,000 lawnmower. It's brand new, comes with a nice seat, and this is a complete tube frame, not channel frame like a lot of other builders do. Complete tube frame. It's a 7 gauge deck on the mower deck, 7 gauge steel. It's just a really good mower. It's not crazy priced. And there's a lot of options you can do to it and put on it. You can put different wheels, front and back, and get crazy with it if you want to and spend a bunch of money. But it's a great mower, and I really liked it. We'll know better as it goes further along. But so far it's been amazing. I haven't seen a lot of reviews about Spartans. They actually sent me a hat. They sent me these glasses to work out in the yard with, so I don't mess up my good glasses. They sent some stickers, like a little care package, that they sent. I got it about a week or 2 ago. I had no idea it was coming. It was nice to get. Not a lot, just a couple little things, but it meant a lot to me. A little bit of stuff it was, somebody taking the time to actually send you some stuff like that was really cool. But we'll get on it, cut the grass a little bit, and show y'all how it works. And here, Caden, film while I crank it up so I can show them. And it has the parking brake is right here. It's super simple. Parking brake off, parking brake on. I mean, as simple as it gets. Come up here, I put my code in. You wait for your green light to come on. Once your green light's there, you hit start. That's it. Now, if you try to do anything with the parking brake still on, it cuts right off on you. So after you crank it, you have to remember to cut your parking brake off. Gotta choke it, she's cold. Put the parking brake off, then do whatever you need to do. Brake mower, tires, 20-inch tires. Cut it back on. These are 20-inch tires. I was afraid. If you look at them, they look kind of scrawny. I'll be honest with you. But they do a great in the yard. They don't tear the yard all up when we turn. They do really good. There's a cup holder here. Don't use the cup holder. I mean, it's cool. They put a cup holder and all on it, but my wife was running it last week. She had to drink here some sweet tea or something. It was everywhere from bouncing around. I mean, cup holder's a cool idea. It just doesn't work on a mower really, unless you're on perfectly flat ground. If I think there's anything else to tell y'all about it, maybe I'll just quit talking and show y'all how it works. Of what it can do in just a few minutes. I did want to say I'm not sponsored by Spartan in any way. I bought this mower. It's just an honest review of a mower. I think it's a really good mower. I think they make a great product, and they're newer to the scene, so a lot of people don't know about them. I searched for some videos. There's not a lot of videos on them, but I read their mission statement and they seem like pretty good people. They build a good machine from what I can tell. It's pretty solid, pretty stout machine, and $3,900. I mean, I was looking at some of the cheaper mowers, so I didn't want to go crazy, and you had some John Deeres and some Bad Boys and some Husqvarnas, and I went and looked at those mowers, and when I went and bought this one, I looked at it compared to a Exmark, and Exmark makes a great product. Probably one of the best mowers made is an Exmark. But this to me just blew it away compared to the Exmark that's comparable to it. A lot nicer, this seemed like a lot better built mower to me. But, you know, that's what I think about it. That's my opinion on it, and I think it's a great mower. I think if everybody's looking for a mower, it's definitely a good one to buy. And it's not a cookie cutter mower. You're not going to find this at Tractor Supply or Lowe's. This is not that kind of mower. This is a commercial built mower for residential. It's built to commercial quality. They have tons of aftermarket parts for it. I mean, everything you can think of. It's a really good mower. But that'll finish up this review. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.